It is time for another 52-week savings challenge. Another catch-up 52-week savings challenge, might I add to that. I'm trying my hardest to get these videos caught up, these savings challenges caught up. So, join me in this savings challenge where we are saving small amounts of money for our emergency fund for 52 weeks. So, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda's my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. Yes, you will. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. Even though today is Monday, I'm in the process of catching up. Yeah, today is the 3rd video that I've filmed today. I'm going to try to get all 3 of them up today. I don't know. We'll see. Because it's getting pretty late. But anyway, you know, I come on here to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. Because I realize the importance of having one. You don't want to have to run out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, because this is this, okay? And we want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, it is. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and like I said, it's this savings challenge number 7, and what you need for this savings challenge is some change. I did a video today on how we need to make a change, okay? And we're using $20, 10, 20. These are rolls of quarters that we're adding to this jar here, and when it fills up, I have another jar, I forgot to bring it. But then when this fills up, we're gonna add it to the bigger jar, okay? And that will hold $1,000, and that's what we're doing. We're saving $1,000 worth of change. Yes, we are. Throughout this whole entire year. Yeah. So, you know, I feel like this. We all have change sometimes, and that would make it easy for you to do this savings challenge. And that's what I try to do, make these easy and show you all, no matter how much you make, what's your financial situation like, even if you're in this situation and this situation. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Okay? Yeah. And even if this is your situation. But if this is, do whatever you can to increase, to have multiple streams of income. Okay? You don't want to just have one, you want to have more than one, because you never know what's going to happen to that one, and you want to have some money to tap into. And we want to get out of this, okay, and this. This is one reason why we can't save money. Being in a bunch of this. You know, it keeps us in a hole, keeps us from being financially free. That will keep us stressed out. You know, saving money for emergencies and your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, it will keep you from being stressed out if an emergency comes. It will give you peace of mind. There's nothing worse than when you get paid, however you get paid. Every time you get paid, you got to pay out this money, you got to pay out that money. You never have anything to put away. So start doing whatever you can to come out of this. Like if you have some credit cards, what I did, I took the one that had the lowest balance. Like if it was $200, I tackled that one very aggressively, and the other ones I paid the minimum balance. And then after that, the other ones I paid the minimum balance, and then after that, I took the money that was going on the one that I paid off and put it on the next one, and aggressively attacked the other one. And then I, still paid the minimum balance until I paid them off. But then one time I had some credit cards, and I had one that had a large credit limit. See, the thing about me, even though I had all these credit cards, I had A1 credit because I made sure I paid them on time. One time I was telling somebody how many credit cards I had. They said, how you get that many credit cards? When you pay them, they give them to you. When you pay on time, that's one thing I've always had with, excellent credit. Yeah. But the only thing about having so many, it can still bring your score down because of your debt ratio. Okay? So you don't want to have a lot of them. And you don't want to have them all maxed out either. So yeah. So like if you have one with a large credit limit and you have a balance, a nice, don't have that much on it, you can now depending on the interest rate, okay? If you got one with a low interest rate, you can transfer the other ones onto that one, and then that way you're only paying one bill, okay? Or either there are credit cards out there that have a 0% APR, introductory rate, and it is for maybe like 18 months, 12 months, 9 months, whatever, at least a year. And you can transfer cards onto that one. And that way you are beating that interest, okay? So you can just, pay that one instead of paying 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. Hey, sometimes it's like that, okay? All right, so did I use all my cards up? Yeah, no I didn't. And saving 3 to 6 months of your living expenses is good in case something like this happens. Or if you have something like this going on, you have money to tap into. You can still pay your rent, your cell phone, your electric bill, your car payment. You pay all your bills for 3 to 6 months. Okay? All right. Now, this is a great savings challenge. If this is your situation, did I pick these up already? I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so now, I'm not going to read the daily affirmations today because I just read them in the last video that I just filmed. You all have these written down. You should. If you don't, they're in the description. Go to the description and read them, but be speaking them, okay? Because death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say. Call those things as be not as though they were. And speak it with power and authority. Believe it, receive it, visualize it. Because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. All right? All right, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money jar. Yeah. Okay? This is 10 and 20. Yay! Okay. I guess y'all see, I like to laugh. I like to have fun. Okay, so today is Sunday. No, today's not Sunday, today's Monday, but that's what we're recording this on Sunday's date. Okay, this is our money jar savings challenge. We added $20 and the total amount is $140. Wow, can you believe $140 is in here? Whoa, it's heavy. Okay, so I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope something was said to help you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and Happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.